the bridge over PCH Highway going to Santa Monica Beach. Beach day, Sunday, Los Angeles. Nice and cool at the beach, very hot in Hollywood, West Hollywood, Beverly Hills, Pacific area. Santa Monica Pier, Venice, Boardwalk, Palisades Park, downtown, Santa Monica, North Beach. So if you go that way, that's the jungle gym of fun. Make sure you check out Seaside on the pier. Delicious pineapple pina coladas inside the real pineapple. Yum. And then there's like all the roller coasters and fun things and plenty of stuff. If you didn't bring food, don't worry. They got tons of food at the beach. Okay. Volleyball nets, rich people's houses. How do you own a house on the beach? You must have been a mega millionaire to just plop one of these 15 spots on the beach, right? All right, maybe you guys will buy my book so that I won't have to be a starving artist and my dog can have some food. But highly doubt it. Everyone likes famous celebrities, sports stars, and all those fashion divas, which so far I'm not any. All right, enjoy the beach day. Bring something for the birds or they'll pickpocket your bags while you take a dip in the ocean. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.